In this lecture, we're going to look at the InContext feature and external references. So what is that? So when you want to link dimensions of different parts in the assembly, then you create InContext feature and external references. For example, we have here part 1 with this hole here. And here we have a part 2 with this hole here. And now we want to, for example, put the part 2 in the center on this face of the part 1. And we want to connect dimensions of those two cuts, this one and this one. So when we're going to change then dimensions of this cut, dimensions of this cut will be automatically modified. And when you do that, you create external references, one part to another part. So first, let's go to Mate. And let's choose here Advanced Mates. And let's go with Profile Center. So let's choose this face here and this face here. Let's click OK. And now the part 2 is right in the center of the part 1. And now the first that we want to do, we want to go to the part 2 and we want to connect those dimensions of this cut with the dimensions of the part 1. So let's go to the part 2, right click, and let's go to Edit Part. And now we can see the part 1 is transparent. Now let's open this and let's go to Boss Extrude and let's edit Sketch 1. And now this is the sketch that we use to create a hole in the part 2. And now we want to make this line and this edge here, and this is the edge of the cut on the part 1, will be collinear. Like this. Let's click OK. And this line and this edge here of the part 1 will be also collinear. Like this. And now let's click OK. And now we define the relation between the part 1 and the part 2. Now we can exit sketch. Edit component, and now we can see that the cut on the part 1 and the part 2 are the same. If we look at our tree here, we can see here on the feature Boss Extrude 1 and the Sketch 1 2 arrows. This arrow tells us that we have created InContext feature. And when you create InContext feature, you create external references to other part. So this feature here and this sketch here are linked to this part 1. We can go here to the Sketch 1, right click, and here we can list external references. So here we have two lines of the Sketch 1 of the part 2 that are linked to the edges of the part 1. Okay, let's click OK. And now, for example, we want to change the dimension of the cut on the part 1. So let's go here to the part 1, right click, let's go Edit Part, let's open this, and let's go to Extrude Cut. Right click here and Edit Sketch. And now we want to change dimension of this sketch here. So we can click on this point and we can drag this point, for example, to here. Let's click OK and let's exit sketch. Edit component, and now we can see that the cut on the part 2 is automatically modified because we have created external references. And when you have a big assembly, this can save you a lot of time.